no pressure. You're gonna make it, right?
Come on. Go for it! Go!
Come on, you got it!
Muita pressão. Pressão.
Hey!
Butt shoulder width apart, all the way down. Ooh, nice. Once you straighten up your back and straighten up your arms, you'll be fine.
I miss you. Tá? Saudade de você, tá? Tchau, irmão. Tchau, irmão. Até a próxima, tá?
My dad had a good point. My dad's like, wow, he's your friend, big deal. Like, okay, he's your friend.
Send him a fucking card.
Send him a card. Congratulations, Nick, you made it. So we said, fuck it. Let's just go now. We're almost out of Florida.
You know why I'm driving?
Why are you driving?
Because women are obviously better drivers.
Whoa! Almost 12 hours. Crazy, yo.
Dang, it's already been that long.
For real.
I guess time flies when you're having fun. There, you just woke up.
Nick looks ugly as hell.
You saw the picture?
Yeah. I can't wait to crack on his bald-headed ass. I'm exhausted. This sucks. Oh my god. Are you tired? You look so fucking funny right now. How? This is their football field where they practice target challenges with. Oh, we're about to get in trouble. Yeah, sorry. You can't step on the concrete.
Yo, you almost died right now.
I know. She was already coming my way. Like, you better get the fuck off the concrete. Get the fuck off the concrete.
Congratulations, Airmen, and welcome to the world's greatest airfield.
Gotta go get Nick.
What's up, bro? What up, man?
You better remember the hit.
He's got new friends now.
He's got new friends.
He doesn't want to be a part of us anymore.
I'm so proud of Nicholas, and guys, thank you so much for coming here and give Nicholas support. I love you guys.
Remember when you left? You guys better fucking come.
Yeah, well.
Play that.
Yeah, bring it back.
Bring it back.
You guys don't visit, that'd be mad as fuck.
Alright, yeah, you guys can. Right. You get in trouble for fucking moving in the line. They call you Giassi here? Yeah.
Giassi.
Or Miami Heat.
Yo, what up, Giassi? It's your boy Giassi, you know. I look like an alien and shit.
Why don't they call you
Look how tight this is.
What is this shirt?
Yeah, look at that. Look how perfect that is.
You did that?
Yeah, you have to.
I try to text you all the time. You never text back.
Well, of course.
These dog tags.
Alright. I gotta ask my MTI something.
Can I film you asking him? I'm really proud of you.
Thank you.
Look at me when I'm talking to you, boy.
He hasn't seen a girl, a real girl in like once. And, you know, you never know. People, I mean, he's been rolling with guys, so you never know. Maybe he just flop on us real quick. I want you to stay liking girls, man. Right? I'm loner. 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 It's fucking weird, right? Ashuvakai! Ashuvakai!
No.
You're the only one that does right shit nowadays. None of us do, right, Marty? Why are you walking so straight? Come on, relax.
Fuck, I can't, bro. It's like a mind wash.
Yeah, you're in uniform. Alright, it's too hot for this shit, dude. Why is it so hot here?
It's not that hot, bro.
Nigga, yeah, it is. I'm sweating.
It's not that hot.
How many degrees is it? Like 100?
110.
It's not that hot. No, it's not that hot.
You get used to it after a while.
There's not even pools
here. It doesn't rain. It freaking sandstorms.
Oh, that's the rain? Oh, so here's a sandstorm for you guys to cool off.
Yeah, pretty much. Hey.
When is the next time I'm gonna see you though?
I don't know. I might be home in a couple months.
Can you hug me back? He's being Giassi right now.
Appreciate it. Thanks for coming so far to see me. Alright? This nigga got weird.
We are the Monkey Crew. 10,000 dollars, baby, what do we do? Got our own damn office space. Now we use monkey business all day. This is our web show. Drinking personality, we're ready to go. We got a distinct, laid-back life. We demand a TV show about our lives. Monkey business.
You're never
That
gonna
bitch is way too fast.
They are fast, yo. I didn't know cows were that fast.
Hell yeah, that bitch took off.